Hey guys, how's it going? How to use one WeChat account on two phones. So first of all, log into the WeChat on your primary phone. Then secondary, on the second phone, install WeChat, but do not log in directly. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just use WeChat browser, right? You're gonna use the WeChat browser on secondary phone. Visit the WeChat web. Use the primary phone to scan the QR code on the secondary phone's screen, and then the method. This method lets you access WeChat on both phones, but only one device can be fully logged in with the app at a time. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.